Hello, I'm Daniel. I'm with BNR. I'm at the IDS 2019 meeting. It's a pretty big deal for us. This is our 60th anniversary. We have 60 years in the business and of know-how of engineering and simplifying the life of the dentist. We have launched a couple of new products that I think are pretty interesting. One of the concepts that we have developed and launched is the ability to install an electric motor internally. And what that means is that usually in order to get an integrated electric motor system, you have to buy a very expensive delivery unit, and you can only get the system at the time of purchase of that delivery unit. Electric motor systems come traditionally in an external box, which is what I have here to show you. We offer a modular system like that. It's very simple to install. You just take a air handpiece tubing and screw it into the back of the box. But we're also the only brand which offers a system that can be integrated in the field into any dental delivery unit. This gives an aesthetic feel that makes the end user and the customer feel like they bought the system at the time that they bought the delivery unit. It's all seamlessly integrated. We do that by installing a little PC board inside the delivery unit head. And this has a display. We have several options of display, from very simple and practical of a dial like this one. And we can install that anywhere in the delivery unit just by simply drilling a hole. The speed of the electric motor is controlled by the foot control, so it's just like an air-driven handpiece. You use it the same way. If you want to do more complex procedures, the philosophy of BNR for over 60 years has been simplifying the working life of the dentist. The way we wanted to do that effectively was reduce all of the modular boxes that are traditionally used by the practitioner to accomplish a wide array of applications. So GPs that are placing endo, or doing endo, GPs that are placing implants, doing piezo, doing surgery, doing all of these complex procedures in-house now, have a platform which they can modularly build up. So this one display, for example, our iOptima INT, has the capability to support restorative, which is high speed and slow speed, caries removal, crown preparation. Also has an endodontics function, which has torque control, auto reverse, auto forward. Our system also has a solenoid which shuts off the drive air, which is unique to any restorative system, so that there's no air coming through the burr hole during the root canal treatment. We've also partnered with Dentsupply to offer Wave 1. Wave 1 is integrated in our system, and you have the full Wave 1 capability chairside. We also have a mode which is surgery. This will enable you to use a surgery motor and cable which can be disconnected and sterilized so that you can be in compliance with infection control under CDC guidelines. We're the only system to support such a thing. Otherwise, you would need a modular box to place implants. The last box is Piezo. We've also introduced the Piezo scaler. And the best concept of this product is its ability to evolve over time. So as this gets older, it grows. And through the Wi-Fi and through the Apple platform, we can send updates to the app. So for example, when this product was first launched, it only had the restorative and endo mode. But over the last 6 months, we've added the Wave 1, added the surgery, added the Piezo, and we're just getting started. Within the next 2 years, this system will be able to do everything to provide the practitioner to be able to do any specialty chairside in each operatory in the dental office. So whether you're a practitioner that wants to begin to do specialized procedures yourself, or you're going to bring in a specialist into your practice to eliminate outsourcing, the iOptima INT is very interesting, and I think you should check it out. Thank you very much.